Is the bear market over? This is something I see at the moment. Welcome to Pony Talks. I'm Crypto Pony. I'm a little bit sick at the moment, but still I want to create this video. Maybe it will not be this long, but I want to show you what is happening in the markets right now, and the markets are moving. Of course, then everybody wakes up, but I don't. I'm always awake and I want to share what I'm seeing at the moment, and I know things are looking good. That's what I was saying all along, all these days, all these weeks, all these months. So let's go and have a look what is going on right now. So today, news is happening. The FOMC meeting. They will be talking. There will not be a meeting. There will not be a rate cut hike, or maybe it stays the same. There will be a talk where they want to go. So this is really important that we see this happening today. So in like 1 hour, we will know what the results is, or maybe a little bit more of 1 hour, of course. But this is also really important. SEC brings clarity to crypto. So the Clarity Act is stalled until September. Let's see what it brings. As we know, the end of the bear market is foreseen somewhere end of September, beginning of October, according to history. But once again, history rhymes, but it doesn't repeat. History doesn't repeat, it rhymes. It's a little bit similar, but what do we see right now? Bitcoin is moving quite big. We saw today alone a move from almost 10%. I would not say today, excuse me. It's in the weekly time frame I was, so it's a little bit less. So if we look at the lowest point today and the highest point, we are at 8.65%. So markets are doing really, really well, but as we can see, 70K maybe was the top at this moment. So this is not the only thing that is happening. Again, when the news is coming out, maybe it will be a sell the news, buy the rumor event today. So let's see what it brings. If we look at other charts like Ethereum even did a bigger move. As you can see, this was an entry, this was a stop loss for me. If you want to learn about trading, you can do it in our community, of course. I will teach you how to get started in House of Investing. You just click on the link below in the description so I can tell you more about it. Once more, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just providing you education and my knowledge. So as we can see, Ethereum moved also quite well. If we look at this, it already did a move of 10%, so a little bit more than Bitcoin. Same thing with Solana. What's going on right here? A move of 8%. Same thing as Bitcoin. And Ripple did a move of same thing also around 7 to 8%. So this is good, a good thing in my opinion, but be aware, as you know or don't know, the end of the bear market is coming really close and is foreseen somewhere around here, the 5th of October. But does that mean that we will go lower than this point? That's something I cannot predict, of course, but that's something you need to be aware of. I told it yesterday in our community as well. Make sure to invest right now and don't wait until it's the 5th of October. Maybe we already saw the lowest points right here, and then you will invest only on higher levels. Just saying, not financial advice, of course. If you like this value, always like and subscribe. That's one thing. Also, write something in the comments. That's also nice. If you have questions or something, you can do it in the comments and put on your notification bell. So this is what I wanted to talk about, and the SEC is bringing clarity to everything. So this is a good thing. So proposes first formal crypto rules for token fundraising. For a decade, the SEC regulated crypto fundraising by lawsuit, suing token issuers one at a time without ever publishing rules explaining what legal looked like. Now that's changing. Yesterday, the SEC introduced regulation crypto assets as the agency's first formal crypto rulemaking, and it creates two paths for selling tokens without registering with the SEC. I would say go and have a look. Press pause, then you can read this whole article and you will learn more about what's going on right now and what we can see in the next upcoming days. So that being said, let's see where it plays out today. I was a little bit surprised myself too because I think let's stall a little longer, but I was prepared, of course, for a move to the upside. I'm also prepared for a move to the downside. Once more, people, don't miss out on this chance. I'm going to go back in time. We are very near to this level. Here, if we look at it, this should be the 5th of October, but it was the 7th of November. So let's go back. We are somewhere around August, a little bit later. So in September. So this is a level that we are. Maybe we're doing the same move, and then in October we will drop. That's something that's possible. But then again, if we zoom out and we look at this opportunity, let's say we are right here, you could do an investment of 500%, a profit, of course, of 500%. Will this happen? In my opinion, no. Why? 500% would mean that we will be close to 400K. It's possible, yes, but I'm not predicting that. I'm always looking, every cycle will be slower and slower and slower to the upside, but also slower to the downside. What I mean with that, as we can see right here, the move to the downside was only 53%. If we go lower, I'm not seeing it lower than 50K. We are only, I'm saying only, at 60K. So this is a lot less than the previous bear market. We were at 77%. So if we move slower and slower, then that would also mean, let's say it's 50K, we will not go up times 8, we will go up times 4, times 5, in my opinion. So times 5 is 250K, and times 4 will be somewhere around 200K. So these are my levels I'm watching really close, but it's nice to see that Bitcoin is making moves, and he will make moves so much more. So that being said, like I mentioned, I'm not going to talk so long today because I still have an let's say a date night tonight. It's a special day for us. For the people that know me, know what's going on right now. But I'm heading off. Okay, I'm a little bit sick, but if you can work, you can also relax, of course. Have a great rest of the day. I will be seeing you all next Friday, and for the people that are in the community, see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.